Hello guys, hello to my channel. So today I'm going to show you three features of the Aster where none of the sales executive or I don't see any of such features being still uploaded on YouTube. So since I own an Aster, I thought of showing this feature so that anyone who owns Aster can go ahead and use this feature. So the first feature that I'm going to show you is about the door lock system. Please note, this feature will only work if you have the keyless entry. Okay. So what you have to do now, how this feature works. Okay. So let me first unlock the car. So what this feature is all about. Now, many a times we everybody travel with a family, and what happens is we have to wait for everybody to get off, and once they get off the car, then we have to actually go ahead and lock the car. So this feature is something that I found out when I was trying to review the car, trying to check what are the additional features. So how this feature works, now you see all my four doors are open there, the driver, the co-passenger, all the four doors are open. So what this feature is exactly is basically when you want to lock your car and you have some of the people sitting and they're taking their own good sweet time. So how you can lock the car without them waiting for them and then looking, checking if the car is locked or no. So what do? You first close this door, press the request sensor, it will beep once, okay, which means that your request for locking the door has already been taken by the car. Then what do you do, for example, if all your four passengers close the door. Okay, I've closed one door, I'm closing the second door, I'm closing the third door. You see this? The car is automatically locked. Yeah, checking all the four doors. There's no party trick, guys. There's no tricks for it. There's nothing special. There's no one around, you see. So there's no party trick. So this is the first feature where you can lock your door. So for the second feature, guys, a lot of people who own an Aster, complain about we can't go ahead and put the wipers on top because most of them do not have a parking like how I do, a shared parking. So their wipers do get spoiled. So many of them I have seen, like complaining, अरे यार वाइपर नहीं उठा सकता है, वाइपर जल्दी खराब हो जाएंगे. So there's a party trick to it also. So let's get inside. Okay. So for that, first let me switch on the car. Sorry. Okay. So now I have switched on the car. For that particular trick, what you need to do. So I have come into the car. I've switched on the car. So how do you put your wipers on top and how do you save your wiper so that you can get a long durability from your wipers? So sorry for the music. So what you need to do, you just need to switch off the car. Once you switch off the car, you just need to pull your wiper lever down. You see this? Your wiper has now stuck at a particular position. So what you can do, once you open your door and you go home, you can probably just pull this off, and that's how you can save your wiper. But one very important feature, guys, please ensure that once you come back and you are about to start your car or go for a journey, ensure that you pull down your wipers properly, because if you do not do, there are possibilities that when the wiper switches on, it might damage your hood at the edges that you see now. So always ensure that your wipers are down, and once you switch it on, they again retract back to the position. Okay guys, so the third and the last feature that is there in Aster is something known as active speed limit, and is also known as ASL. Now, this is again something that the dealers or the sales executive, they are not aware of. Because how do I get to know about it is because when I was on a trip to Goa with my wife, we accidentally activated the ASL, and when we did try calling the executive or the MG sales guy, they told us that they are not aware. And even when we gave it for the first service at the Goa service station, they were like, this car is new, we are not aware of this particular feature. So we had to deal with this particular situation, and what happened when we were on the journey, and that's how we realized, okay, this particular feature is there, which is quite benefited for few of the people, in fact most of the people. So how to get this feature? Okay, what is this ASL? So let's switch on the car. Okay, I have switched on the car. We have 3 levers here. One is for the headlight, one is for the cruise control, and another one is for the wipers on and off. So we would not be using this headlight lever or the wiper levers. For activating ASL, we would require the cruise control. Okay. So to activate that, you need to push the lever, how I have done, towards the dashboard. You see this? There's an indication that comes in. So once you press the lever towards the dashboard, you will get an indication which states ASL system standby. So what this means is that your active speed limit is active, but you need to activate that. Now, to activate the speed limiter, you see this set button. You need to press the set button. Once you press the set button, you will get a pop-up states ASL system active, which means that your active speed limit is active. Now, the minimum limit that you can set is 30. As you see this, there's a speed limit of 30 and it goes right up to 200. So to increase and decrease the speed limiter, you need to push this on top to increase it and to the bottom to decrease it. Now, the maximum speed limit that you can set is 200. I am just showing it to you now. There you go. It's 200. And the minimum that you can set is 30. Now, what this system does, what the active speed limiter does is it sets up a speed where if the speed limiter indicated on the dashboard is saying 35, your car, when someone who's driving, cannot exceed the speed of 35. So it's a good feature for people who want to give their car in someone who knows drive rashly, or someone who's learning the car. You can set the speed limit and the car would not go beyond that speed limit. To deactivate that, you just simply need to pull the lever towards yourself. Once you pull the lever towards yourself, the icon that you see, the speed limit that you see, would go off and a cruise control icon would be activated. Please let us know how do you like these 3 features, and do comment in the comment box if you want to see such more videos on the MG Aster.